garlic, put a stick of butter in here, then some sprigs. There we go, the butter is melting now.
Whoa, that's pretty dark. But not as heavy as Guinness.
That's okay.
Ready to flip?
No, it's still sticky.
Wait, take a scoop of rice by itself. Oh, you know what? I need to go give me some chili pepper. I'm gonna eat that. So, you can tell the difference. This is Thai chili pepper, and then this is the cayenne. Cayenne grows downward, Thai chili pepper grows upward.
So we're just gonna coat this with this garlic rosemary infused butter. Put this onion over here. More butter.
Good.
How's it?
I can handle it. This one's a small one, so it's not too spicy. Yeah. But
Yeah.
the CEO will kick you.
Oh, this is yummy. The rosemary's good.
Well, I'm gonna try the cayenne pepper. It's not spicy. It's got a little heat, but it's not as spicy as the Thai chili pepper. But I can feel it. It's tingling my tongue.
I'm gonna cut this so that we could eat the skin. This crispy salmon skin. Nice, salty, yummy.
Oh yeah, that's hot. Ooh. Finger looking good too.
It's that kimchi I made. Adds freshness. Is this good?
The last of the chili pepper, Thai chili pepper. Just a little bit. And here it goes down the hatch. Ah, gonna taste it with the beer. Put a little butter on there.
Not spicy, huh?
Nope. Because the Thai chili is kicking in. I can feel it burning on my tongue.
Some rice. Lemon. Cheese.
Let's try the onion. Here's real salt.
How you feeling?
Fresh off the boat.
What does that mean?
My tongues are burning. But I'm okay. It's numbing my tongue right now.
How do you enjoy food when your tongue is numb?
I just like the feeling.
But then I feel like,
I can still taste the salmon. I can still taste the garlic.
can you though? It's numb.
I can still taste it. It's numb and it's tingling, but it's not like completely paralyzed where your taste bud can't taste it.
I just feel like when my mouth is on fire, it's just, I can't taste anything, and then it makes me really disappointed.
Well, people are different. People have different taste buds.
You're a sweaty, hot, spicy mess.
Not yet.
Yeah?
No, I'm not sweating. See, no sweat. Don't want to drop this piece. Again, salmon is just so tender and juicy.
Grits. Salmon skin.
Some rice.
Kimchi.
Cayenne pepper. Last bite. And last sip. Oh yeah.
Rice. Salmon.
Try not to destroy the salmon here. I want to keep it its texture. Dip it in the butter sauce. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe a peach will be the tongue cleanser. Something sweet after the hot and spicy. It does cool the tongue. That was a great dinner.
Every dinner with me is a great dinner. What are you talking about?
Oh yeah. That's good. always make things good. Give me some butter. Kimchi's good. You do one bite with the kimchi on top. There's a one biter.
Gotta have the rice, the skin. Salmon.
Tell you what, the kimchi does go well with the salmon.
It's fresh. It's refreshing. And kimchi. Oh, oh.
Look at this white peach. It's so juicy. It just melts in your mouth.
I was expecting you to say something like, "It's as white as my legs."
No.
Your legs, not mine.
No.
Rice.
Cut me a potato wedge. Ooh, it's still hot. But when it's piping hot. It's good. Ouch.